From barter to Bitcoin, from paper rupees to UPI, India's journey in financial tech isn't just a national transformation, it's a global disruption. Welcome to Techno Series, where I decode the future of finance. Today, I'm taking you inside how India is reshaping the global fintech landscape. So, what exactly is fintech? At its core, it's simple. Finance plus technology. But honestly, it's way more than just apps or payment gateways. It's about reimagining how you save, invest, insure, and borrow, and how all these systems actually talk to each other. Think Paytm, Razor pays a road, or PhonePe. But zoom out. AI crunching numbers for credit checks, blockchain settling transactions in seconds, even embedded finance right inside your favorite shopping app. Now, India's not just in the fintech game, it's leading it. The UPI revolution shocked the world, clocking over 10 billion transactions in a single month. And it's not just for India. Countries like France, the UAE, and Singapore are plugging into Indian payment systems. Aadhaar, DigiLocker, account aggregators, ONDC, this is basically a fintech lab running at a billion-plus scale. Let's break down every fintech into 5 essential layers. First, user interface. Smooth, intuitive, and easy to use. Second, APIs and middleware. This is the brain connecting banks, insurers, and platforms. Third, data layer, where AI and machine learning work their magic, analyzing behavior and risk. Fourth, compliance and regtech. Think digital KYC, anti-money laundering, and real-time fraud detection. And fifth, the infrastructure layer, payments, cloud, blockchain, all the silent giants powering it all. But here's the secret sauce: India's IT and BPO industry. Giants like TCS, Infosys, and Wipro run back-end systems for the world's biggest banks. But even cooler, Indian talent building fintech products from scratch. Zoho, Pine Labs, Cred, all homegrown, all globally competitive. Curious how a digital payment actually works? Here's the play-by-play. You tap your phone, or wearable authentication uses tokenization for security. API middleware fetches the transaction intent. AI checks for fraud in milliseconds. Then the payment races through UPI, Visa, or even blockchain rails, and boom, confirmation pings back, all in under 2 seconds. India's fintech story isn't just about apps, it's ambition, access, and global influence. As more countries look to India for digital payments, one thing's clear: the future of fintech might just speak in Indian code. Like, share, and tell me what topic you want decoded next on Techno Series. Subscribe and hit the bell so we keep breaking down the future, one bite at a time.